Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mathtronics. Today what we are going to see is how to register for TNEA admission 2020. That is what we have to do to register for Anna University counseling. Okay, let's start. Firstly, you have to visit the official website tneaonline.org. There you will find the application form to be filled. To start first, you should need mandatorily at least email ID and a phone number. So both are mandatory for doing this registration process. Let's start. Firstly, you have to click on the new registration. We are going to create an account for us. The details here asked is name, so you will type your name as per in your mark sheet, 10th and 12th mark sheet, and then your mobile number. This mobile number you have to fill it carefully because whatever they need they will contact through this mobile number only, and then the email ID. So what your communication between them will be through either through mail or using this phone number, and your date of birth. So fill your month, date and year. Whether you have passed plus one or not. So 11th standard, whether you have passed or not, and then the qualifying examination. Either if you are state board, you have to fill it HSE or CBSE, ICSE, so like that. And then you have to fill your password. It must be minimum 6 characters, and any special character must be there. And in the confirm password, you have to retype the above password, and then click on save. Now OTP will be generated. This OTP will be sent to the mobile number you have given in the form. If you didn't receive it for quite a time of while, you can click on resend OTP. So when you get an OTP, you type it in the field. It will be a 6-digit OTP, and click the submit button. Next, you are going to log in. So enter the mail ID you have given in the new registration form, and then the password you have entered there, and then click on login. If you forget the password also, no problem. You can click on the forget password and retrieve your password. Okay, first you are already the name will be filled. So next is the name of the parent or guardian. So you have to fill your parent name, and then the communication address. So fill your address here. If your permanent address and the communication address is same, you can click on the checkbox same as communication address. So if you click that, it will be again printed there. Then select your state. If you are from any other state, please check the guidelines whether you are eligible to apply or not, and then come here. Then the district where you belong, the district. Select the district. And the communication address PIN code, your native district, select it carefully, and your civic status of native, whether corporation, municipality or panchayat, so like that. And your date of birth will be already printed there, so check once. Your gender and your mother tongue, Telugu, Malayalam, which language is your mother tongue, and your nationality, whether Indian or any other. Nativity, whether Tamil Nadu or from other state. Religion, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, Sikhism, so whichever religion you belong to. And the name of the community, OCBC, MBC, so like that you have to select any of them. And the name of your caste you have to select there. Aadhaar number is optional. If you don't know your Aadhaar number also, you can leave that field because it's optional. So check once whichever field you have filled, whether it's correct or not. So check it once, and then click on save and continue. Next is this category is for People who are coming under sports category or disabled category or X-Man service. So such people have to fill this page. And also, if you are belonging to any of the three category, you will have to pay 100 rupees extra. If you are coming under both sports and X-Men service, then you have to pay 200. So like that, 100 rupees will be extra. If you don't belong to any of this, you can fill everything no. If you belong to any one of them, you can click yes. So you have to fill these. Sports, and you can select the college nearby for certificate verification. Save and continue. After clicking save and continue, next is scholarship information. So what is your parent occupation, annual income, if you are a first graduate, that is you are the first one to go for a college, or already any of your siblings have applied for first graduate, so that is the next field. And then AICTE tuition fee waiver, you can check in the guidelines whether you are applicable for that or not. And then post metric scholarship, this also you can check in the guidelines whether you are applicable or not, and then press save and continue. Next is about your school information. Whether you have studied from 8th to 12th in Tamil Nadu or not, so press yes. Your civic status of the school, so whichever it is. You have to enter the name of the school you studied, the district where it is, so everything here manually. So if from 8th to 12th you have studied in the same school, you can click the checkbox apply to all. And then your academic information, which board, HSC or CBSE, and then the board of the examination, Tamil Nadu board or central, and then the registration number is the roll number in your hall ticket, qualifying year 2020 or which year you are qualifying your 12th standard, and then your HSC is academic or vocational, and then the group code, which group you studied in 12th, and then the medium of instruction, whether Tamil or English. If you are not belonging to 2020 and some other year, then you will have to fill your marks here manually. This is only for those who are not belonging to year 2020. Now press save and continue. This is preview section, so here you can check all your details you have entered. So you have to check it twice or thrice so that you don't make any mistakes here, because after this you cannot change anything you have entered. Now we can continue to pay. So the registration fee you will have to pay either through your card, debit card, credit card. So you will have to pay it, or internet banking you can pay. So select which bank and then you can pay it. Now you can generate the report. Here you can download the application form you have filled for your future reference. The CM video in Tamil is available in the official website itself. The link we have given in the description. So those who need the same video in Tamil can click the description and check the video there. Thank you.